Everyone, I am Osima Biswal. In last class, I have already discussed the effect of change in income on purchase or consumption of a good. Another important factor responsible for change in consumption of a good is the substitution effect. Whereas the income effect shows the change in the quantity purchased of a good by a consumer as a result of changes in his income. Prices remaining constant. Substitution effect means the change in the purchases of a good as a consequence of a change in relative prices alone, real income remaining constant. Whereas the price of a good changes, the real income or purchasing power of a consumer also changes. For example, when price of a good, say X, falls, real income of the consumer would increase. In order to find out the substitution effect, that is change in the quantity of X purchased, which has come about due to the change only in its relative price, the consumer's money income must be reduced by an amount that cancels out the gain in real income that results from the decrease in price. The substitution effect is understood in two ways. First, Hicksian substitution effect. Second, Shorty substitution effect. First, we will discuss about Hicksian substitution effect. In Hicksian substitution effect, price change is accompanied by so much change in money income that the consumer is neither better off nor worse off than before. In other words, money income of the consumer is changed by an amount which keeps the consumer on the same indifference curve on which he was before the change in the price. Thus, Hicksian substitution effect takes place on the same indifference curve. Okay, the amount by which the money income of the consumer changed so that the consumer is neither better off nor worse off than before is called compensating variation in income. In other words, compensating variation in income is a change in the income of the consumer which is just sufficient to compensate the consumer for change in the price of a good. Okay, the Hicksian type of substitution effect, income is changed by the magnitude of the compensating variation in income. Hicksian substitution effect can be understood with the help of the figure 1. With given price and given money income, the budget line is PL and the consumer is in equilibrium at point Q on indifference curve IC1 and by OM amount of good X and ON amount of good Y. Okay. Suppose that the price of good X falls, price of Y remaining unchanged, so that the budget line now shifts from PL to PL dash, which is parallel to PL. Okay, with this fall in price of X, the consumer's real income or purchasing power would increase. In order to find out the substitution effect, this gain in real income should be wiped out by reducing the money income of the consumer by such an amount that forces him to remain on the same indifference curve IC, okay, on which he was before the change in price of the good X. When some money is taken away from the consumer to cancel out the gain in real income, then the budget line which shifted to position PL dash will now shift downward but will be parallel to PL. That is the new budget line AB which is parallel to PL dash, and the consumer is in equilibrium at point T on the same indifference curve IC1 and the consumer will buy OM dash amount of good X and OM dash amount of good Y. So in this figure we understand that when the price of good X falls, the consumer will buy more amount of good X and less amount of good Y. Okay, this is Fixian substitution effect. In next class, I will discuss about Shasti substitution effect. Thanks for watching.